I'm going to walk you through how to pay for Onlyfans with PayPal. It's important for you to note that Onlyfans does not directly accept PayPal's payment due to PayPal's terms of service. However, you can use workaround method like using a third-party service, which is what we're going to talk about today. So the first thing to do is to sign up for a third-party service like Bitrefill or Crypto Refills, which allows you to purchase gift cards using PayPal. Next, purchase a gift card for a popular retailer like Amazon or Google Play using PayPal. Then sign up for Onlyfans and redeem the gift card on Onlyfans to add funds to your account. It's as simple as that. PayPal's terms of service prohibits the use of their services for adult content. So please note that. And also, Onlyfans terms of service require you to comply with their payment processing rules. Third-party service may charge fees for their services. By following these steps, you can pay for Onlyfans using PayPal through a workaround method. It's as simple as that.